Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. I have another travel box today, and it is Celebrate States. This was the December box. I do have a code that you can use for Celebrate States to get 20% off, and I'll have that down in the description. It is a 20% off discount, so it's quite significant, and you may want to use it if you're interested in this box. This box travels the states of these fine United States that we live in, and we've already seen several. We've been to Texas, Massachusetts, we've been to Georgia, New York, and California, and today, and we've been to Illinois, so let's not forget about them. But today, we're going to find out what state we're going to, so if you want to know what's in this box and what state we're going to celebrate, just stick around because we're fixing to open it right up. They always send us a nice box full of goodies, and it looks like we're going to Florida. Greetings from Florida. All right. I can't wait to get in here and find out more about Florida. This is wonderful. They always give us a map of Florida, and that comes in real handy. It even has like the counties on the back side of it. And of course on the front it gives you detailed information. If you have children or kids in school, this could be a great asset, like when they're doing projects and things like that and they're, having to learn about different states. So keep that in mind. This would be very handy. They always give us a written out product card, and we always get a coloring sheet. And this can be used for the children or for yourself because coloring is great therapy. They've also given us a travel book, Florida, Fun in the Sun, which I'm excited about. I'd like to go to Key West. I haven't been there. I've been to lots of places in Florida, but that's one place I haven't been. So I would find that to be a lot of fun and want to learn more about it. It tells us scenic road trips, airboat tours, state parks, and beach camping. It may not have anything in there on Key West, but I hope it does. They do throw in some nice little, bonuses in these boxes. Once I got all the paperwork out of there, this is what we're ended up with. And let's get right to it. Now, this here looks like a candle of some sort. This is Robin's Nest. I got some puppies out playing, so it's going to be a little loud. This is Robin's Nest Candles. It's Dr. Phillips, Florida. So I guess that's the town. I've never heard of it. Robin started making soy candles for the family members 6 years ago. Color is Robin's specialty. One of her favorite tasks is making custom candles for weddings, baby showers, party favors, and local businesses. Any chance to be creative and enjoy, she also offers private and public candle workshops where she can teach her craft and connect with the community. Robin hand pours each candle and offers a wide variety of scents. Robin's Nest Craftswork strives to make the best looking and the best smelling handmade soy candles you've ever burned. And the smell. That smells good. Looks like the scent is Florida Winter. And it does smell like a winter scent, and it smells very good. Our next item that I see looks like a ornament, and it looks like it's a Florida ornament, and it looks like it might be handcrafted. It's Cozy Woods CT. Does that mean Connecticut? Cozy Woods, Connecticut. This beautiful ornament handmade by Cozy Woods CT. We ran out and we were able to get some more handmade design from Connecticut. I'm thinking this is Florida. It's got a little bell on there, and that's cute. I'm going to keep it in this little plastic paper because I won't use it till next year. Our next item, it's citrus and detail pepper blend. Perfectly good, it says. So let's find out where this is from. This is Fat Cat Gourmet Sauces from Orlando, Florida. This company is a brainchild of a husband and wife team. They decided to make their passion exploring flavorful and fiery foods And their names are Ewell and Goldsmond and Deborah Muskwatski. I'm butchering their names. I cannot read their names, their last names. Two longtime foodies who decided to make a passion for exploring favorable fiery food with their condiments, and they have put together this super hot, well, it's from mild to super hot. They are perfect for grilling, marinating, dipping, and more. The goal of the sauces is to use flavor as heat and condiments. So they provide us with a unique taste, and instead of just overwhelming flavors, nothing but heat. The name Fat Cat from their own Fat Cat, Tiggy. Check out all their delicious flavors. So that sounds interesting. I've gotten some sauces, from different places, and I haven't used them all yet, but that one sounds really good. Our next item is the Coastal Soap Company, and this handcrafted soap is orange peel and holiday spice, and I can smell it through the box. It smells very nice. This is from Winter Springs, Florida. Let's take a look at it. It's just a square bar, and I guess that's like a tan color. And this founder is from Coastline Soap Company. Stephen Wickwire has been crafting and processing soap for over a decade and has expanded his line to offering include natural apothecary products, clean burn candles, economically friendly supplies, all made with natural materials and packaged sustainably without any plastic. Based out of Winter Garden, Florida, Coastline Soap is committed to curating a full range of products that are better for the body and the earth. Yuletide is the name of this one. And it does smell Christmassy. And this was the December box. So our next item is some saltwater taffy. This is Best Popcorn Company in Naples, Florida. It's full of little saltwater taffy, and looks like it's got different flavors. What would Florida be without saltwater taffy? We have included these amazing flavors from the Best Popcorn Company for your enjoyment. We are located in Naples, Florida, and have been providing delicious popcorn to our local community through farmers markets and holiday events. We offer treats, snacks, and sweets, so obviously they offer taffy. So that's what we have in our Florida box, and I can't wait to try that out. Our next item is some raw honey, and we got 2 of these. And the raw honey is from Bee Haven Honey Farms in Lakeland, Florida. And are they 2 different flavors? It looks like we do have 2 different kinds. We got 100% Florida Honey Allergy Blend, and then we got Orange Blossom Honey. So we've got 2 different kinds here. Bee Haven Honey Farms Incorporated is a family-owned and operated farm located in sunny Central Florida. We are dedicated to the production of raw Florida honey. All our honey is unprocessed, going from the hive to the jar with minimal handling. We believe in the natural and healthy properties of raw honey and never want to remove any of them from our product. Local honey is not only loaded with antioxidants, it's also great for prevention of allergies, and it's healthiest alternative to processed sugar. So that sounds really good. And I do like to use honey, and you can use local honey for your local allergies. I don't know if this will work for allergies for me in Texas, but it could, We're kind of on the same line. We just have different trees and things. So I don't know if it'll work or not, but I'll still enjoy the honey. Our next item, this is Submerged Bath and Body from Sanford, Florida. Founder Joy Clore Willis began her journey making chemical-free bath tea soaps in hopes of assisting her husband with products for his sensitive skin. She's in Central Florida, and she goes to arts festivals, and she has sent us a Berry Mary bath bomb with sea salt. And you can see the sea salts in there. So this is a nice little bath bomb. It's on a seashell. And I'm going to leave it intact because I don't hardly ever take baths, so I'll be gifting this out at some point. But it smells good, and I'm sure it's going to be delightful. Our next item and our last item is Darjees Tea Box Company from Orlando, Florida. Owner Eric Holt would like for you to know the Darjees Tea Box Company. We see our tea as revolutionary. Our mission is to bring fine teas from around the world to be enjoyed hot or cold. Our journey started in 2016 with one iced tea, Rachel's Raspberry. Ooh, I like raspberry iced tea. And the revolution continues to this day. Refresh, relax, and remember to enjoy life. Drink tea. So what kind did we get? We got Reserves Apple Harvest, which has cinnamon, apple pieces, blueberries, marigold petals, and fruit flower. So this is the flavor that we got. I would have really liked that raspberry one. I wish they would have sent that. But I will be happy with this, trying it out. But this is our box, our Celebrate States. We've gone through Florida, through different cities. And this was from Orlando, our tea. We got our Yuletide soap, which was from Water Springs, Florida. We got our bath bomb, which was from Sanford, Florida. We got our sauce here from Naples, Florida. We got our honey from Land Lake, Florida. And we got our salt taffy, also from Naples, Florida. And we got our candle from Dr. Phillips, Florida. So we got quite the variety, and we also got our ornament. It looked like it had to be made from Connecticut because it says Cozy Woods CT. That has to be Connecticut. So, and it says that they ran out, so they had someone make them for them. So whatever they had originally, it didn't work out, and they put that in replacement. But as I had told you earlier, box runs about $45 a month, and you can save 20% by using my code MissJackie20. But I will have it down for sure and wrote across the top there so you'll know exactly what it is. And you can save 20% on your order. It can be a monthly order, could be a quarterly order, or an annual order. But be sure and use the coupon if you're interested. I don't really get anything from you using that coupon on this particular subscription, but I want to offer it to you, and so does Dane, the owner of Celebrate States. It's not like a referral type thing where I get money and you get a percentage off. This is just for you, my subscribers. So if you want to use it, feel free to do so. That's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed our little travel to Florida. If you have anything that was really your favorite in here, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, well, hey, I think now is a good time to subscribe. I've got some giveaways out there. You'd have an opportunity to win. And I have surprise giveaways in many of mine. The Glossy Box, 5 Days of Christmas. Each one of them have a giveaway. If you haven't checked those out, I would recommend you doing so. But as for today, that's all I have. I thank you for being with me. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. And as always, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all. Before I sign off, I want to show you two of my little loudmouths. Look at him. He's got some of that paper in his mouth. These two are brothers. They're Morkies. They're Morkies. This is Tiger and this is Bear. And they already have their new homes. They're just waiting until they're old enough to leave. But I just wanted y'all to see what our little Morkies look like when we do have them. This one kind of favors the Yorkie, and this one's more like the Maltese, I suppose, but only in red. So anyways, these are these two. I'm going to go grab the other. And these two are Maltese. So these were the loudmouths while I was trying to film this, and I just thought I would show them to you. Malchi is a Maltese and Chihuahua mix, so it's a designer mix. This one here's name's Charlie, and she has a home, and this here's little Blondie, and she's still looking for a home. So if you're interested in a little Malchi, check with me. But now do realize I have inquiries on a daily basis. But right now she is available. But these are my sweet little babies that make just a lot of noise over there while I'm trying to film. But I love them. And you would too if you were here with them. Alright guys, now I'm going to let you go. You all have a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.